Hi, friends. Today I am not with my wife, who used to ask me spiritual questions, and I would be answering them. So I thought, why not do it alone when I'm away from home? And the opportunity I got from a very good friend from Uganda. She said, "Your videos are in Hindi only, so how can I understand?" I said, "Okay, you ask me a question in English, and I'll then prepare a video in English." My friend asked me what is hurt, the same question about which we discussed in the last video. What is hurt? And I said hurt lies within you. And she had no further conversation on that. So perhaps I could not explain to her. But I want to explain to her, so I'm trying again. See, if you see hurt, something hurts you. Why? Because that particular situation or that person did not work according to the expectation you had in your mind, isn't it? That's the way you get hurt. If someone is not behaving the way you like it, or some situation does not emerge the way you expected, you get hurt. So it means hurt is directly related to your expectation. Now then, talk about expectation. What is expectation? When you expect someone to behave according to your concept, maybe traditionally he should behave like this, or maybe because he or she is in a relationship with you, so they should behave like this. In both ways, there is a concept in your mind which is asking the other person to behave like. That person is not free to behave in his own way, and you are also not free, because that concept which is occupying your mind tells you that other person should behave like this. Now this concept, if you see the concept, as I told you, it is not freeing you, nor is it freeing the other person. So this concept is basically the hurt within you. Why? Because this concept has been developed by you through your habits, maybe from the beginning of your this life or maybe earlier lives. So that is why this concept lies over there in your mind. And when you get hurt, basically God tries to tell you that you have to move on. When you get hurt, do not analyze the person or situation. Rather, you analyze why it is happening with me, because I have got this concept in my mind that things should work in this fashion. But why it is necessary? The whole world is open. There are so many things happening. God, in a way, is asking you not to limit yourself to a particular concept. Just go out, be free. And believe me, if you start freeing yourself, you will enjoy this world more, and you will find that there are nobody outside who really want to hurt you. It is your own concept which is hurting you. And sooner you get free of that concept, better you will feel in most of the situation. Thank you for listening to me. I hope it works for you, my friend from Uganda. Bye.